Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and it's none other than from Dior. So other than that, I have a bonus clip to show you guys what went down behind my whole facial and spa experience with Dior. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first up, we're gonna unbox one of my favorite, which is the Untitled Dior set that I bought the other day. So it's this whole travel set of like eyeshadow, blusher, foundation, mascara, as well as lipstick. And yeah, let's unbox it together. So inside you can find that it's packed in this it's packed in this velvet looking like pouch that says Christian Dior right here. And when you open it up, I really like that it's really nicely packaged. And over here you can see that there's a mascara as well as the set that you bought. Over here it says Dior, and it's made of like waterproof leather material. And inside it looks like this. So it comes in this whole set of what I previously mentioned. I'll show you guys a close-up of the whole set so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect if you were to buy something like this. So yeah. So this is the Ultra Dior Couture palette known as Color of Fashion. It comes in a set of 3. And this is the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara as well as their Dior brush. And let's open the palette up together. So it looks really wonderful and it's nicely packed once again. And yeah, inside it has the mirror to teach you how to use it as well. So it comes in this set of foundation, blush, eyeshadow and lip. So it's like a whole set you can just easily bring around. And that's how it looks like without the protective cover. I really love the color and shade of this whole palette. It's really wonderful and just so easy to bring around. Convenience is like the total key point here. So yeah. Next up is this really cute Dior gift set. So usually it doesn't come in this cute box until I told my auntie that it's gonna be a gift for my mom. So she wrapped it up in this really cute Dior pink color ribbon, which is super adorable by the way. So the thing I got for my mom is actually this Dior Addict lip glow set. So it costs about $83 for 2 lip glow. If you think about it, it's actually quite affordable because usually the lipstick costs about like $53 to $60 for one. So for 2 it's $83 and it's in such a nice packaging as well, which makes it the perfect gift for people. I'll show you guys a close up so you guys can get a better idea of what lip glow that I got and stuff. So yeah. So this is how the gift looks like with a very nicely packed gift wrap. And this is the Dior Addict Backstage Pro Dual Lip Glow. So that's how the inside looks like. It's known as the Color Revival Balm. I heard that it's really great and moisturizing as well. So yeah, I can't wait to give it to my mom. And I honestly think it's like one of the most perfect gifts you can ever give to someone because it's super adorable and yeah, I absolutely love it. So this is a close-up of the gift wrap. Lastly, another 2 items that I have gotten are the Dior Keychain, which is super cute and adorable. I just love it. You can just clip it on your bag and any pouch as well. And as well as the Dior Prestige. So this was the facial treatment that I've done at Dior the other day, and the product is absolutely amazing. So I'll show you guys my bonus clip of my whole facial experience at Dior, which I'll be going back for more next month. So yeah, let's get right into it. So it started with the Dior skin analysis, and they will show you your skin condition and concern. It's really detailed, and that's how the spa room looks like. It's super cool and there's privacy as well. I love it. And that's the treatment process. They will help you remove your makeup and get you all prepped up. And there's also a private space for you to do your shopping after you're done. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.